Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel DiziSight, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off captions from YouTube Shorts. So in order to do so, firstly launch YouTube application on your mobile device. Now once you come here, simply tap on the option of Shorts. Now let's say I want to turn off the captions for this short video. I'm going to tap on the three dots option at the top right corner. Now select the option of captions. Now in my case, you can see that the option is automatically selected for off. If your captions options is selected for any of the other options, you have to simply select the option of off, and there you have it. You will simply be able to turn off the captions from your YouTube Shorts. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.